Welcome back to Twirl Craft Studio. I'm so excited to have you here today. With the holiday season fast approaching and what I like to call the gift giving season, I thought we'd do something different today. I have in front of me 5 handmade gifts that look store-bought, but really aren't. So hit that like and subscribe button and let's dive in.
So, you know when you need a gift, but don't want to give something boring and also don't want to spend a fortune? Yeah, been there. Well, today I've got you covered with 5 handmade gift ideas that are beautiful, easy to make, and totally look like they came from a fancy boutique. And the best part, you can say, oh, I made it myself.
If you want to try any of these, I will put a link to the how-to videos in the description below.
All right, let's jump in. First up, seashell wine charms. These are perfect for your beach-loving friend or honestly, anyone who's ever lost track of their wine glass at a party. They're coastal, sparkly, and made from real shells, so each one's a little unique, just like your guests after a few sips of wine.
They make such a fun hostessing gift, and you can personalize them with your own beads or charms for that extra handmade touch.
Next, a Mod Podge shell ring holder. I mean, who knew seashells could look this classy? These are perfect for keeping your jewelry safe by the sink or bedside.
A little Mod Podge, a little shine, and suddenly it's giving mermaid chic meets Pottery Barn. If you have a friend that just loves the beach or pretty things, this is a total hit.
Gift idea number 3, self-drying clay coasters. These are so fun to make. You roll out your clay, add a pretty napkin pattern, seal it with Mod Podge, and boom, you've got custom designer-style coasters. They look store-bought, but you'll know they were made with your own 2 hands. Perfect for coffee lovers, tea drinkers, or that friend who insists on using coasters even for water. Okay, this next one might just be my favorite. The wood and copper wire air plant holder. It's modern, minimal, and looks like something from a boutique decor shop. Plus, air plants are super low maintenance. You don't even need soil, just a spritz of water and a little love. This one's great for plant lovers, or, plant attempters. And finally, a self-drying clay wall hanging with copper wire accents. It's handmade, artsy, and totally customizable. You can go neutral and minimalist, or play with texture and metallics for a bold statement. It's the kind of gift that makes people say, wait, you made that? Cue your humble smile. And a bonus 1, napkin holders, so easy and stylish. It gives that extra special touch at the dinner table.
So there you have it. 5 handmade gifts that are beautiful, thoughtful, and perfect for any occasion.
From seashells to copper wire, these projects prove that handmade doesn't mean homemade looking. If you'd like to try any of these crafts, I've linked all the how-to videos in the comments below, so you can pick your favorite and start creating.
Thanks so much for watching. See you next time, and remember, stay crafty and keep on twirling.